Hey, what's going on, guys? Today in this video we're gonna be learning how we can extract DNA out of strawberries. You can do this with any kind of living material including your body, but we're not gonna be doing that because we need to cut that up. So I'm using strawberries, but I'm not gonna be using the big ones because I'm gonna be eating them up, and we're using the smaller ones so that the wastage is least and the result is max. I chose 5 strawberries at random. Well, not actually at random, but these are my chosen ones, and let's see how much DNA can we get out of these. To start off, this is the most important ingredient, which is the isopropyl alcohol, or also known as 2-propanol. And this should be ice cold. I'm using 99.9% pure isopropyl alcohol, so you need to throw this thing inside of your freezer at least 2 to 3 hours before your experiment, because it should be ice cold. So I'm minimizing the temperature. So in a separate container I have about 1/6 of the container filled with water, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt in it, and the same amount of dish soap as well. Try to use the unfragranced and just a simple original dish soap because it's gonna work the best with it, and try to use uniodized salt as well. The salt and soap solution will be used to bring out the DNA out of the nucleus of the strawberry cells, and then the isopropyl alcohol will be used to extract it out of it. After mixing it up, we're gonna be needing a Ziploc bag just like this one, and I'm gonna be placing my chosen strawberries inside of it. Then we have to close the Ziploc bag's lid and start pressing it up so that we structurally break them apart and maximum cells of the strawberries can come out. After doing this for at least 2 minutes, we are left with this pulp, and inside of this we're gonna have to add our prepared solution of soap, salt and water. And what this is gonna do is that it's gonna break the DNA out of the nucleus of the cells of the strawberries, and it's gonna be present in the solution. This is the most important state, so you need to do it for at least 2 minutes. The DNA is actually present in it, but we are not able to see it because it's soluble in water. Now we have to filter this thing up, so I'm just using a big sieve, and just like that you can get the clear and pure solution. Now here comes our isopropyl alcohol. Just be sure that you do not drink anything of this stuff because this is extremely dangerous, especially what I'm using is 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now when we're gonna be adding it in the solution, the DNA is soluble in water but is insoluble in the isopropyl alcohol. So when we'll be adding it up, it's gonna form big lumps and precipitate out in a white form, and we're gonna be extracting that thing up. Just make sure that you add a little bit more than the volume of the solution that you have used. I think that's gonna be enough, so let's just keep this thing aside. And now let's see what's going on here. As soon as we do this, you can see the white clingy stuff forming up. It's just like a web, and this is the DNA. This is the thing we've been looking for, and you can see that white stuff just like the Spider-Man's web. This is the actual DNA. Throw some light on it and this becomes even more clear. This forms web or chain, so it's easy for us to take it out of it just with the help of a toothpick. As you allow it to stand for more and more time, you'll eventually see more and more DNA precipitating out of it. Again, this experiment can be done with any living organism, but it's best with strawberries, so that's the reason why I'm doing it with strawberries. Now I'm using a toothpick to gather the suspended precipitated DNA out of it, and just like that, you can see here's a chunk of DNA, some pure DNA. Let's try to get another chunk of it. Here we go. It's a pretty big one this time. And another. I'm gonna keep doing this till there's no DNA for me to get it out, and let's see that actually how much DNA can I get from these 5 strawberries. So let's see. This is a good string of DNA again. After a half an hour of hard work, I was able to get about this much of DNA. Now for you guys, I'm gonna be taste testing this thing up and see what it really does taste like. Okay. So this, guys, is the DNA. This is going straight to my stomach, and let's see what it tastes like. It has some taste of isopropyl alcohol. It's like glue. It's just like glue. It's a bit slimy. Not really has its own kind of taste, and it's just like glue, nothing else. I don't think if I can eat this completely, but yes, I hope that you guys will like the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yep, I need subscribers, and hopefully this video would be of great knowledge for you all. And these taste amazing. Why the hell did I waste them? Well, anything for you guys. See you next time.